Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export audio only in Clipchamp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, Clipchamp does not natively support exporting audio file only like MP3 or WAV, but you can simply do here and there and export audio from your video projects. So the step is to simply export video and convert it to audio. You need to finish your project as usual in Clipchamp, and once you have done this, click on the export button. Now you need to choose your resolution, for example 1080p or any other resolutions. Now download the video. It is in the MP4 format, and use a free MP4 to MP3 converter such as online audio converter, VLC Media Player, or any other free softwares. So by doing this, you can simply export your audio only in Clipchamp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.